Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be me showing you how I did my ombre lip color. If you guys want to see, continue watching and like this video, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Know what type of video you guys want me to do, and I'll be happy to do them. And let's get started with the video. Okay, so I've already done my face. I already put on foundation, did powder, and did concealer. So now I'm going to go in with my eyeshadow. I think I'm going to do more of a neutral eyeshadow since I'm doing like a purple lip. So I'm going to get my brush. I'm going to go in with more of a, between this color and possibly this color. Just going to go in my crease. Now to do the eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with a little bit of mascara. The Maybelline mascara. And I'm gonna go in with this color, purple color by Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid Lipstick. I'm just gonna go. Now I'm gonna go in with this MAC purple. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of highlight. Actually, no. I'm actually gonna go in with this purple highlighter. Now I'm going to take my middle finger and put this on my nose. As you can tell. Oh, I think I did way too much on my nose. Oh, I did way too much. Okay. Kind of went a little too crazy with the eyeshadow with the nose. That's okay. If you ever think you put on too much highlighter, just take a beauty blender and just kind of dab it in. Make it look a little bit better. Dab just in, just a little bit. Just gonna brush my eyebrows. Just gonna brush my eyebrows. And this is a finishing look. I actually kind of like this look. I actually think it's very pretty. I think it's really fun for like, not for every day, but for if you're going to a festival or somewhere fun, or if you're just going out for a night and you just want to try something fun. I think this is really cool. And purple is one of my favorite colors, so I love it. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.